Alright guys, so right now I'm in Toronto, Canada. I love the city, I love the views. I'm just taking a break. You know, I wanted to get away from the city and actually come through, you know, with the hills. So I love nature, I love the outdoor atmosphere. And you know, I just wanted to talk to you guys one-on-one on, you know, how you can be successful with dropshipping, right? A lot of people are struggling. A lot of people can't even get their first sale. A lot of people can't even scale. A lot of people can't even find that winning product, right? Well, the thing is, you're missing a lot of things. There's a lot of moving parts within dropshipping. There's a lot of moving parts, you know, building an e-commerce store, okay? And the thing is, you have to be, you know, right from day one. You have to be correct whenever you're trying to grow, right? So I'm gonna give you guys maybe 5 or 4 tips, you know, to be able to, you know, be successful in this e-commerce game, because a lot of people are just struggling. And, you know, I wanted to tell you guys straight up on exactly why you're failing, right? The first thing that you need to do is be corrected with your mindset. Mindset is so important. A lot of people are struggling with this, right? A lot of people that they don't see results, you know, from day one, they start quitting. You know, if they don't see results or they don't make their first sale, they quit. If they're spending about $100, $200 on a Facebook ad, they end up quitting. And, you know, with this e-commerce game, you know, I didn't quit. You know, it took a lot of trial and error. You know, I started probably like, you know, I say I started about, you know, a year and a half ago, okay? I started a year and a half ago. I only had $500, okay? At that time I was in college, I was working, you know, the 9 to 5. And, you know, the crazy thing is, you know, I was in your position. I have so many different things, you know, that I'm similar with you guys, right? You know, I graduated high school. There's a lot of, you know, high school dropouts, but, you know, a lot of people can't relate to that. You know, I went to college, you know, I got my degree, I ran NCAA track and field, I played sports, I worked the 9 to 5, I've been in the corporate world, you know, I've done everything, okay? So the biggest thing is that, you know, I had motivation inside myself and I didn't want to work that 9 to 5, okay? If you're working the 9 to 5, the reason, you know, how I got out of it is that, you know, I was really motivated. I was dedicated into this e-commerce craft because I wanted it so bad. I wanted to be successful with it. And you have to, you know, apply the same thing with your business, right? If you're dreading waking up in the morning, if you're, you know, if you hate going to traffic, if you hate driving on the highway, right? Use that as your motivation. Try to get out of that situation, right? There's more than one ways to solve a problem, and it starts with your head, guys. It starts with the mindset. You have to be dedicated. You have to be motivated. You have to be, you know, interested and try to learn something every single day. You know, that's how you get to that next level. That's how you start seeing results and start seeing success, okay? So number 2 thing that a lot of people are struggling with is it starts from day one. You know, it's not a get rich quick type of thing. Dropshipping is not get rich quick. If you're going to think about it as a get rich quick, you know, the thing is, you're going to fail from day one, okay? You're not going to be focused to, you know, making a good product description. You're probably not even going to build a brand. You're probably not even going to care about your Instagram page. You're not even going to care about anything from the layouts or the design or anything. Thinking about, you know, getting rich quick, right? That mentality, you're not going to be as focused to, you know, try to put all into your store. So, you know, like I said, don't think of it as get rich quick. I didn't get, you know, success overnight. A lot of these other YouTubers or dropshippers that you see, they didn't get it overnight, okay? It wasn't overnight success. Anybody that tells you that it's an overnight success or you can get rich quick overnight, you know, it's not possible, okay? The only reason, or, you know, the only time that you're gonna, you know, it's gonna be overnight success is if you have a mentor, right? Mentor is great. Try to find a mentor, try to find somebody, and, you know, that actually leads to my 3rd thing. You know, you have to follow the right people. You know, if you're going on YouTube and watching so many other videos about, you know, different strategies, different how to do Facebook ads, how to do influencer marketing, it's hard. You know, you can't really focus on, you know, your strategies. You're going to be following this guy, and then you're going to be doing this strategy. You're going to be running Facebook ads and that. You're going to be targeting broad interest. You're going to be doing flex targeting. You know, you have to follow one thing, okay? One strategy. Just pick, you know, whatever your favorite YouTuber you have or whatever lifestyle that they have. Just pick one, follow their strategy, make sure you do your diligent research, and, you know, that's how you're going to be able to get to that next level, right? Find a mentor. I've been recently doing, you know, mentorships for a couple people, and, you know, they've all had success because I know exactly, you know, how to grow a store from 0 to whatever, okay? You know, I'm not bragging or anything. I just know the steps, and I've learned so from my mistakes from the past, and, you know, all these things things that, you know, had to go to trial and tribulations, I know what to not to do and what to do, okay? So, you know, and a lot of people have been asking, you know, trying to get into my mentorship program, but, you know, it's actually closed right now, okay? I can't take on a lot of people, okay? I've already taken on a lot of people, and, you know, it's gonna be open, you know, probably next month. You're probably gonna have to wait. I might have a waiting list down below, but if it is, then, you know, sign up below, and then you'll get updates on whenever my next mentorship will actually open, okay? You know, that's the third thing. Find a mentor. Find somebody that's gonna help you day by day basis, tell you the ropes, how they were able to be successful, and, you know, that's how you're gonna, you know, shortcut your way to success. Now, the fourth thing that you need to do is give value, okay? And, you know, what type of value, right? A lot of people are just thinking of just selling a product. Well, the thing is, guys, it's not like that anymore, okay? And a lot of people aren't just gonna see a product and end up buying. You have to give value, which is, you know, why should they buy that product? Give your customers assurance. You know, make them feel comfortable with, you know, buying that product. It's different types of factors that you got to follow, like, you know, your ad creatives, right? What are you providing to your customers? Are you giving them, you know, a value? Let's say you're trying to sell a hairbrush, right? Why should they buy that hairbrush? Is it going to, you know, make their hair curly? Is it going to make their hair look nice? Is it going to be fashionable within whatever they're trying to look, right? What kind of look are they trying to look for? You have to speak to your audience, and, you know, that's what giving value will actually give you, because if you're just trying to sell a product, guys, a lot of people are just going to pass through your ad. A lot of people are just going to skim through your product page and not even buy your product, okay? Value is so important. I can only stress this enough, but giving value, okay? Giving any type of value that you can, whether it's giving something for free, you know, doing free plus shipping offers, whether you're trying to do influencer marketing, try to get social proof on your ads, you know, giving value, right? Even if you find an Instagram influencer and, you know, you send them a product and then you actually let them post on their story or their feed or anything like that, that's still giving value, because your customers are saying, okay, this big influencer is actually promoting this type of product. You know, I trust this influencer. This influencer has influence on those people, right? On those followers. Then they will actually follow your product, right? They'll end up buying your product. So giving value is very important, and a lot of people are just skipping through this, right? You know, if you haven't, you know, I'm already on tip number 4. If you haven't even done tip number 2, or you haven't even done tip number 3, don't even thinking about going to tip number 4, okay? Now, my last tip that I'm gonna give you guys, you know, while I'm on my trip in Toronto, is that you have to be persistent, okay? What do I mean by persistent? Like I said, you know, I was doing the 9 to 5, I was doing so many different things, and, you know, I fell into a place where, you know, I just wasn't for me. You know, I wanted to, you know, have freedom. I wanted to travel the world. I wanted to, you know, buy whatever I want. I wanted, you know, spend on something without even, you know, looking at my bank account, right? So, you know, persistent is one of those things that you have to, you know, stay active, okay? You know, you can't have lapses. You can't have, you can't stay stagnant. You can't be, you know, stuck, right? If you're stuck, like I said, go find a mentor. You know, if you're stuck, provide value to your customers, right? These 5 tips, guys, will definitely change the whole e-commerce game for you, and, you know, try to find that success that you've been longing for, okay? So, you know, I'm just enjoying the view. I'm in the hills of, you know, Toronto. It's very cool out here. I'm loving my stay here. I might be, you know, I'm planning my next trip. I don't even know where I'm gonna go next. Probably Germany, probably, you know, my home country in Africa, probably, you know, somewhere. If I ever visit your country or ever visit your city, you know, just hit me up on the gram. You know, I'm more than willing to do a meet and greet or whatever. But, you know, check out the links down below. Check out my personal website. It has a lot of resources that's been helping a lot of people. So you know, this is for you. This channel is for you guys. I'm doing this, you know, I don't even have to, you know, I don't even have to be out here, you know, making this video, but, you know, I want to help as many people as I can, because, you know, I know a lot of people was in my position, you know, a year ago. You know, there's a lot of you guys that are working. There's a lot of people that are, you know, athletes. There's a lot of people that are still in high school. There's a lot of people that are in college trying to find that degree or that career, right? So I'm just doing this for you guys. You know, I'm trying to be as relatable to you guys as much as possible, and, you know, I hope this video helped you guys. You know, these 5 tips will definitely take you a long way, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.